Today, we're going to paint a half-lying light-colored pear by using a large-scale observation method. Quickly capture the features with a tangent technique. Outline the basic shape of the pear. Then draw the light and dark boundary lines of the pear. For coloring, first unify the light source. Then further refine the tones. Make sure the dark areas are fully developed. At this stage, I am using very soft tools. After fully working on the dark areas, switch to soft carbon to add the light gray tones to the highlights. You can also use medium carbon to lay down the light gray color for the highlights. The tools used depend on the situation of your painting. Once the coloring is done, move on to the smudging step. First, smudge the light and dark boundary lines. Then, smudge the projection shape. Next, smudge the entire dark area. If this step is done thoroughly, shaping will be much easier. Now, we move on to the shaping step. The same principle applies here. Make sure the dark areas are fully developed before moving on to the light gray areas. When shaping the light gray areas, use medium and hard carbon more frequently, depending on the situation of your painting. Lay the tones following the structure of the pear itself. Make your brush work clean and decisive. Use smaller brush strokes to express the highlights of the pear. Did you learn